Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art Channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. I want to say a very big thank you to our returning and new subscribers. Alright, please click on our notification bell to get all our uploads soon as we upload a video on this channel. Alright, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get rid of armpit smell and to clean your teeth using just two natural ingredients. Are you wondering what these ingredients are? Look at that. You can get rid of armpit smell and clean your teeth using just toothpaste and baking soda. I prefer using Colgate toothpaste and baking soda for this purpose. Alright, I will be doing a very simple mixture, and that is what you can use to get rid of armpit smell and to also clean your teeth. You know, there are some hidden particles. Do you really want to clean everything? Like you feel that this toothpaste alone cannot clean your teeth, you want to enhance it? Then keep watching this video, right? To make this mixture, you will take just 20 grams of Colgate toothpaste and 5 grams of baking soda and mix. Alright, if you want to take more than 20 grams of Colgate toothpaste, you can take 40 grams of Colgate toothpaste and take 10 grams of bicarbonate of soda, or what is popularly known as baking soda. Now there is a difference between baking soda. This is baking powder, but this is baking soda. This one can be found even in pharmacies. So endeavor to use baking soda and not baking powder. Alright, or you can just go to the pharmacy or go to a food store and ask them to give you bicarbonate of soda. Alright, now let's take the ingredients and make the mixture together. Alright, here I have 20 grams of my Colgate toothpaste and I have 5 grams of my bicarbonate of soda. Alright, so let us make this mixture. I'll be using this spoon to stir it. Alright, so you pour the baking soda in the toothpaste in a container that you will be able to close after mixing, or you can use another container to mix it, then transfer it to a container that you will be using as a storage container. Alright, so give it a stir to ensure that the bicarbonate of soda mixes very well with the Colgate toothpaste. Alright, our mixture is thoroughly mixed. Alright, now that our mixture is thoroughly mixed, if you want to use this mixture to take off armpit smell, how do you go about it? Very simple. Use a spatula and take a little bit of your toothpaste. Alright, take enough to rub thoroughly throughout your armpit. Alright, so let's assume that this is your armpit. You just put the mixture there with a spatula, then you massage it, you rub it with your hands. Alright, and it will absorb. Then you leave it there for 30 minutes before washing it off or before taking your bath. If you want to use this mixture to clean your teeth, how do you do it? Very simple. Take a toothbrush, fetch the quantity that is used in brushing teeth, that you use to brush your teeth, and you brush your teeth with it morning and night. That's twice in a day. And you can do this twice in a week, or you can do it repeatedly every day for 1 week. Then you can start doing it twice in a week. Then subsequently you do it once in a week, and your teeth will be as white as snow. As you can see, my teeth is white, isn't it? Because I know how to take care of my teeth, alright? And let me tell you, you don't have to go extra man. As long as you know how to go about it, just baking soda and Colgate toothpaste can get rid of armpit smell and make you stop feeling embarrassed when you mingle with people. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to Machine Art channel for more uploads. And don't forget to always click on our notification bell. When you click it, you will see options. Just press the option all, then it will notify you on all our videos, alright, soon as we upload it. Thank you.